Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Madpower Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Madpower Wi-Fi Extender box, you usually get the Madpower Wi-Fi Extender unit, a quick installation guide, and a warranty or support card. Some models may also include a small Ethernet cable to help with manual setup. Everything you need to start boosting your Wi-Fi signal is included in the package. Now plug Madpower Extender into wall socket near router. Turn on power. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until power light becomes stable. Do not press any button yet. Go to your main Wi-Fi router. Look for a button labeled WPS or a symbol like counterclockwise arrows button, 2 arrows forming a circle. The WPS button is usually on back panel or side panel. If you cannot find a WPS button, your router may not support WPS. Press the WPS button on your router once. The WPS indicator light will start blinking or flash for about 2 minutes. This means the router is now searching for devices to connect. Within 2 minutes, press WPS button on extender. Extender LED starts blinking. Now extender is connecting to router automatically. Wait 30 to 90 seconds. Check extender lights. Solid signal light means connected successfully, or blinking forever means setup failed. Do not unplug during this time. Check Wi-Fi list on phone/laptop. You will see new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi_EXT or your Wi-Fi_2.4G_EXT. Connect using same Wi-Fi password. After setup, unplug extender. Plug halfway between router and weak signal room. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.